What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm not making any new purchases today, right? I'm not buying any brand new cryptocurrencies. There may be one or two that I'm throwing maybe $100 into to see what it could be worth as the altcoin season flourishes. But while we're getting into the swing of things in 2025, while we see more belief and more acceptance and more ETFs and just opportunities in the crypto space happen in 2025, I feel like I need to mention what my top five cryptocurrencies to explode are for this year and obviously going into next year. So we're going to do that in this video, go through my top five altcoins, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because the reason why I say top five altcoins, I would say top five coins, but I don't invest into Bitcoin. No offense to anybody that does, I don't. But hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget, for my link for BTCC. If you guys are interested in this platform, feel free to check it out. You get a 10% deposit bonus if you sign up using my link, as well as up to $10,055 of extra bonuses and 40% lower trading fees. Also, you can do up to 500x leverage. This has been around for 13 years, trusted by millions of people, and you're looking at 300 plus crypto futures that you could trade, right? No VPN, no KYC necessary, but obviously you can see so much success in being able to leverage trade. If you don't understand leverage trading, make sure you research first before you dive into it, because leverage trading is a lot different than trading outright. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Patreon, but let's go ahead and get into this video. Now, I have various things here that I'm going to go ahead and just simplify to pinning down so you guys can't see it before we dive into it, because it'll be at the top of the screen as I go into certain positions. But the crypto market stands at a $3.66 trillion market cap. You're seeing a lot of different opportunities that are out here. And if I were you, right, I'm not looking to get you guys to buy any of these. That's something that I want to tell you. I'm not looking to get you guys to buy any of these. I'm not looking to get you guys to pump any of these or do anything with that. If I was to recommend what you guys should do, I recommend that you go to CoinMarketCap, go to CoinGecko or whatever it is, get off the first page, go to the second and third and fourth page and find opportunities that are on there, because those are the lower opportunities that will skyrocket to billions of dollars worth of a market cap, or potentially hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a market cap. And it could be a 10x, it could be a 20x or a 100x, whatever, right? So make sure you give yourselves the opportunity to gain some of these gains that we've already established. And then you could see those kind of move up as well. So while I invest into, let's say, a JSM Coin that's at a $200 million market cap, that found a way to go to a $2 billion market cap. So you're not investing into that at a $2 billion market cap. And yes, you could see it grow, but you can find your own $200 million market cap that could go to 2 billion and go to 20 billion or whatever. Does that make sense? Anyways, let's dive into what my top five altcoins are to explode in 2025 that I want to see make a significant impact on my portfolio. The first one is obvious. The first one I've talked about so much, and honestly, I've made a video earlier today about it. XRP. XRP is currently standing at $3.25. It's up by 4.6% today. We're seeing $20 billion worth of volume, $187 billion market cap. This kind of speaks for itself. XRP is going to be the world currency. In my opinion, it will be the world reserve currency. It will be heavily utilized, and it will be worth multiple trillions of dollars. My last video stating that it was, not this last video, but the video before that, was stating that it's going to be worth trillions of dollars. And the reasons are, basically all of the above, talking about banking, talking about implementation, talking about government, and just honestly being heavily utilized in the world, not just the US, but the world. So XRP is my top position. I have the most money invested into that, and I'm going to see that be what other people saw in Bitcoin, I see in XRP, and we're going to see that flourish. So that should speak for itself. The next position that I want to talk about is Kronos. Kronos is the coin for crypto.com, and everything that they do, that crypto.com does, seems to flow through Kronos, right? And you're probably going to have more of that happens in different things that they implement, whether you're talking about the debit cards, the credit cards, you're talking about rebates. You're talking about APYs for staking for the cards, as well as just staking in general. And you're talking about APY over on the DeFi wallet and many use cases that you have with NFTs and just various things that are there, which is fantastic. And the use on chain as well. You're getting so much use out of the coin that it brings a lot out of it, and it makes people want to hold it as well as use it. So Kronos, definitely one of my top plays. It's my second play on my list by the most that I've invested. Just spoiler alert, all of the positions that I have here are positions that I have money into. It wouldn't be my top 5 altcoins if I didn't have money involved in it. So the next position that I have here, which is the third one, is JSM Coin. I just mentioned it earlier in this video. JSM Coin is something that I found at a $200 million market cap. Honestly, it was a little bit less. It might have been like a 100 something, but rounding up, $200 million market cap. Not an insanely low market cap level, but when you see and you start doing your research into it and understand that the world flows and functions on data and data security, right? You understand how big JSM Coin can be. And then the community and how many people were talking about it, that's something that really made me feel like JSM Coin is going to have a major amount of success. Currently seeing $273 million worth of volume, a $1.39 billion market cap. And then also seeing all the circulating supply, which you have, or all of the supply, which is about 50 billion, meaning that this getting to a level of a dollar would be a $50 billion market cap, which is not absurd in today's world, as we see cryptocurrencies that are worth that much that don't deserve to be worth that much, but JSM Coin does. So we're going to see that happen sometime soon. The third position that I have on my list is Yearn Finance. YFI, just by a matter of looking at the price difference and looking at how people see this and where you can buy it, S-tier exchanges, previous history of hitting a lot higher prices than where we're at now, a total of 33,000 supply, not 33 million, not 33 billion, 33,000 supply, meaning that this getting to a value of $10,000 is not ridiculous. This getting to a value of $100,000 is not ridiculous. You're talking about something that has so much potential to grow so much further and already has been there. So when we look at all history, we've seen that this has gotten to a $66,000 price point. I believe it got a lot further. The highest point that it got to was $93,435.53. Now, buying one of these means that if you see that level get hit again, you would see $93,435.53 from the $8,000 that you invested. Now, this is a significant amount to buy just one, but when you obviously look at the overall market cap that it got to, this is a $2.4 billion market cap. It's not a $100 billion market cap to reach a $100,000 price. No, you can reach a $200,000 price, a $300,000, $400,000, a $500,000 price in this position based on the fact that you only have 33,000 that's in there. That's something that blows my mind, and I can't wait to have my mind blown off of just having one Yearn Finance. I think I might have 2 or 3, but having one gives you the ability to take your profit as time goes on and then see what it's going to be worth. If it's going to be worth $1 million per coin, who knows, right? So this is something that is more speculation than anything. I'm not really driven by a ton when it comes to the utility side of things, but when it comes to just seeing the price history, it makes me excited. And the last position shouldn't be a surprise, is Teruna Classic. I think Teruna Classic is going to be worth a lot more than people think. And yeah, I could be wrong. I might be right. I have a strong feeling that I'm going to be right, that we're going to see this at a level of not only 1 penny, but we're going to see the opportunity to grow a lot further than that, up to levels of, 3 cents, 5 cents, 10, 20, up to $1, up to all-time highs, as we see new things that are developed and implemented and burns and all of those things to get us back to the levels that we were at before. So again, it's speculation, something that I truly believe in, but that's totally, up to you. And hopefully, you were already in it at low levels. And I feel like it still is a low level, especially seeing 4 zeros rather than 3 zeros. But let me know what you think. Those are my top 5 altcoins that I'm invested into that I think are going to explode. Again, I have many other cryptocurrencies in my portfolio, but these are just 5 that I wanted to go through to give you something to kind of look at, or if you had any of these, you would maybe believe in them a little bit more, because you always need that little bit of a push. But what I recommend is that you go and find your own positions that are starting out and you believe are going to be worth so much more in the end. These are something that I've held for quite some time. CRO I've been holding since the beginning of my crypto journey, as well as JSM Coin I've been holding for quite some time here. And Teruna Classic is a big part of my portfolio and the success that I've had in cryptocurrency, from only investing $43 to turning into $30,000. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.